Hey, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. I have a pretty cool product here that's been around for a while, but I wanted to give you a review, give you a demonstration, and tell you what's in this little package. So this is a pocket bag valve mask, pocket BVM. We're used to seeing these in great big packaging, and this is a little small container. I'll give you a comparison to size in just a few minutes. But this BVM, or any BVM actually, is used to assist ventilations to a patient who's not breathing well. Depending on which textbook you read, somewhere between like less than 8 breaths a minute, greater than 28 breaths a minute, in that range. Less than 8, greater than 28, we want to kind of assist ventilations if we can. Typically the patient's going to be unconscious or semi-conscious when we're going to do this, but they're not getting good chest rise, and we're going to assist them with more volume to give them some better chest rise and fall. So that's what a BVM is used for, and this is a pocket version. It's the same size as an adult that's in the big package. It's just crammed in a little small package. So if you're limited on space in your first aid kit, this is a pretty cool item to add to it because you're getting the benefits of a full-size adult BVM in a small package. So the overall packaging size here is 5.5 inches wide, 2.5 inches in depth, and weighs just shy of a pound, so like 15.8 ounces. So the one we're demonstrating here has a black case, obviously, but they also make one that's in a green case. The only difference is the one in the green case comes with oxygen tubing, so you could attach this to an oxygen reservoir. This one doesn't, so this would be, we can still use it, still give the patient good chest rise and fall, we're just not going to have access to 100% oxygen. Alright, so we're going to open up the packaging here, and like I said, it is packed jam tight in there, so rotate it open. First thing you're going to see is a face mask that pops open here. We can open that up, and that's going to fit around the patient's face. So this goes around the nose, goes around the chin, and we're going to attach the BVM to here. This opens up, and this is the reservoir that we would squeeze. So same size as an adult here, that are normal adult BVM. This attaches here, and we can squeeze it. So this does come with a little bit of oxygen connect tubing here, but like I said, the green packaging comes with a lot longer tubing to connect this oxygen. So when you would connect this to oxygen, this oxygen reservoir here is going to inflate. But since we don't have that, we would still use this. So we can put this across the patient's face, squeeze the bag, patient's chest will hopefully rise. To give you a little bit of comparison here for size, this is an adult BVM by Dynarex, one of our companies that we're a distributor for. You can see it's packaged up, and this is how it's going to fit in your first aid kit. This is going to take up a lot of real estate in your first aid kit. Here's the pocket mask. So you can see the difference here in the two different sizes. Both are for adult. When you open this up, it's going to open up the same size as this. This just takes up a lot less real estate inside your first aid kit. So I'll give you a quick demonstration here of the BVM in use. My mannequin looks a little rough. Any of you guys want to donate another mannequin to the channel, comment below and you can donate a nice brand new mannequin to the channel. But so let's say our patient is unconscious, semi-conscious, breathing less than 8 times a minute for whatever reason, or they're breathing greater than 28 times a minute. We're counting the chest rise. Maybe it's a head injury, they're breathing super fast. We don't want to slow them down, or maybe they're getting ready to die, or whatever reason, they're breathing less than 8 times a minute. So we got bad problems, not good chest rise and fall. If it's non-trauma, you can do a head tilt chin lift, opens up the airway, clears the tongue out of the way. If it is a trauma, then you don't want to move the neck around, so we can just do a jaw thrust. That opens up the airway. If you had it, probably look at putting in some kind of airway adjunct, whether it be an OPA into the mouth or MPA into the nose. Then get your BVM out. Alright, so now we got that out of the way, let's go to the actual BVM. This part's going to go around the nose here, goes around the chin, so you can use the same technique. It's called an EC clamp. So this is your C, E. You want to lift the face up to you. Squeeze the bag. Okay? So lift it up. Squeeze the bag. Then about every 6 to 8 seconds. So if you have the ability to, a two-handed technique works fantastic. So you would do here I can get a good solid clamp on and let someone else squeeze the bag, which I'm by myself in the studio today, so. But that's it. And unfortunately, you're gonna get nasty stuff in this mask, things like that. So this is gonna be a one-time use device. Alright, so here comes the trickiest part of this whole process, is that if you open yours up for training and now you want to put it back in the packaging, that's a little complicated. So the easiest thing to do is to fold it across this middle line here, and that kind of gets everything started. So tuck it in, so fold it across that middle line there. The back just pops in, your reservoir oxygen connected there. So now we're here. That can go back into the container like that. You flip this flat, your face mask flat, and she squeezes back in there. There we go. Done. So I hope this video helps. You never know when you'll be the first responder. We have the right gear and the right training. I'm going to show you how to do it. So you've got a couple of lines going across here. This is where you want to try to get to fold. And the easiest thing is just to, that does not do it. Dadgummit.